Do you want more FPS in any game? First, open your browser. Then you click this URL and type this URL. Then press enter and click this download button. It downloads the installer and you run it. Then you need to create account. I have already account. Then open home. It takes a while to open in the first time. Then copy my settings here. And every setting here. And then run all of these, but don't this can broke stuff in your computer. And then click this restart button and enjoy your new FPS.